you've been lied to about making money online. What if I told you there's a way to earn while you sleep, with little to no upfront costs? In the next few minutes, you'll discover the secrets of affiliate marketing that gurus don't want you to know. Stay tuned, because missing out on this could cost you thousands of dollars in passive income. Affiliate marketing is one of the simplest ways to create a stream of passive income. So, what exactly is affiliate marketing? It's a way where you, the affiliate, earn a commission by promoting other people's or company's products. When someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you get a percentage of the sale. Pretty cool, right? There are three key players in this process: the merchant, the affiliate, and the consumer. The merchant is the creator of the product. Think of them as the business or the brand. The affiliate, which could be you, promotes these products. And finally, the consumer is the person who buys the product using your link. Everyone wins, the merchant gets sales, the affiliate earns a commission, and the consumer gets a product they need. Now, let's break down how you can get started in affiliate marketing. First, choose a niche. Your niche should be something you're passionate about and have some knowledge in, because that makes it easier to create authentic content. It should also be something that has a good demand. Think of areas like fitness, tech gadgets, or personal finance. Once you have your niche, the next step is to find affiliate programs to join. Websites like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and ClickBank have countless opportunities in various niches. Sign up, and you'll get access to a range of products you can promote. With your niche and affiliate programs in place, the next essential step is setting up a platform to reach your audience. Most affiliates use a website or blog for this purpose. Create quality content that provides value and strategically incorporates your affiliate links. You can write reviews, how-to guides, or even curate a list of best products in your niche. Ready to take the plunge into affiliate marketing? By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to earning passive income. But here's something to ponder. What niche are you passionate about that could potentially be turned into a profitable affiliate marketing stream? Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Tired of delaying your financial freedom? Overcome procrastination with the Passive Profits Blueprint mini course. Tailored to shift you from planning to action, this course teaches you to build a passive income stream quickly and effectively. Learn to achieve your financial goals with clarity and confidence. Don't let hesitation hold you back. Visit digmarketing101.com/course. Access your blueprint to success and start your journey to financial independence today. Generating passive income through affiliate marketing can open doors to financial freedom and flexibility. The key lies in implementing smart strategies that maximize your earnings with minimal ongoing effort. Let's explore how you can do this. First, focus on creating evergreen content. Evergreen content stays relevant for a long time, attracting consistent traffic. Think of topics like best budget fitness equipment or top personal finance tips for beginners. These articles can keep driving traffic and affiliate sales for years. Next, incorporate email marketing into your strategy. Building an email list allows you to maintain a direct line of communication with potential buyers. Send out newsletters, exclusive deals, and valuable content to nurture relationships and encourage purchases through your affiliate links. Automated email sequences can save you time and ensure continuous engagement. Social media can also be a powerful tool in your arsenal. Platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest offer vast audiences and can drive significant traffic to your affiliate links. Regularly post engaging content, share tips, and utilize stories or live sessions to connect with your followers on a personal level. Search engine optimization (SEO) is another crucial element. Proper keyword research and on-page SEO can elevate your content in search engine rankings, ensuring a steady stream of organic traffic. High-ranking content attracts new visitors regularly, increasing the chances of affiliate conversions. To keep your income stream running smoothly, consider automating as many processes as possible. Use tools to schedule social media posts, automate email marketing, and track performance metrics. Tools like Google Analytics and affiliate dashboards can help you monitor which strategies are working and which need adjustment. It's also worth regularly analyzing and refining your marketing efforts. Check which types of content perform best, what emails have the highest open rates, and where your traffic is coming from. Continuously improving these aspects will keep your strategy robust and efficient. By employing these strategies, you can build a sustainable and rewarding affiliate marketing business. What strategy do you think you'll try first? And how do you plan on integrating it into your current efforts? Let me know in the comments.